Assalamualaikum. Today for our CMA 653 Construction Economics presentation, we are going to talk about the emergence of circular economy in the construction industry. Me and my group members Ahmad, Danish, Muhammad Bukhari, one HAZIQ, one Muhammad HAZIQ, and me myself, one FARIS IRFAN, are going to present on the topic itself. In this video, we are going to talk about the current scenario of circular economy in Malaysia, which includes what is circular economy, what does it focus on, and why does it exist. Secondly, we are going to talk about the best practices of circular economy in Malaysia's construction industry. Last but not least, we are going to talk about the benefits to implementing circular economy in Malaysia. There are a lot of benefits to it where we will further explain in the video.
To circular economy in Malaysia. Circular economy, or called SCE, is one of the solutions to climate change, biodiversity loss, waste and pollution. It is a resilient system that is good for business, the environment and mankind, as it decouples economic activity from the consumption of finite resources. CE is based on three principles: eliminate waste and pollution, circulate products and materials, and regenerate nature, similar to recycling. The CE also has a cycle to achieve the three principles. There are two main cycles: the technical cycle and the biological cycle. Technical cycle is when products are kept in circulation in the economy by way of reuse, repair, remanufacture and recycling. Biological cycle is when the nutrients from biodegradable materials are returned to earth through composting or anaerobic digestion. In short, CE is recycling, so no materials go waste. Circular economy. The concept of CE speaks for itself. With rapid growth in popularity and increased demand for raw materials, there is an urgent need to prevent further damage to the planet and ultimately aim to restore our planet. Additionally, with finite supplies means that countries are dependent on others in the importance of raw materials. Focusing on the life and pressuring issue in Malaysia, ever since China banned plastic imports at the start of 2018, before the COVID-19, Malaysia has become the world's top destination for global plastic waste for recycling. Additionally, there is also the bulk stamp for the domestic consumption of single-use plastics. In fact, Malaysia is one of the fastest growing and developing countries, even with the impact caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Naturally, such rapid development of manufacturing industries will cause pollution and sustainability issues. The waste path is linear, meaning it flows in one direction from production to consumer to landfill, incineration or litter. To transition towards a CE by increasing resource efficiency and reducing the use of virgin material requires better product and packaging designs, collection, sorting system and recycling infrastructure.
In this chapter, we will discuss about the best practice of circular economy that can be adopted in Malaysian construction industry. With fast developing cities and over 32 million population, Malaysia faces challenges on managing waste. On top of that, more clinical waste is predicted to be generated in 2020 until 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, the best practice of circular economy that can be adopted in Malaysia construction industry is the first, by maintaining and extending lifetime using smart maintenance, repair, upgraded and renovation, as well as identifying the material being used in the construction can be considered as circular business models in the construction sector, specifically buildings. The second one is other practice involve the use of bio-based or biodegradable material or pre-purpose or non-toxic high-grade recycled material to substitute conventional raw materials and ensuring long-term confidence with new methods and materials. And the last one is increasing the efficiency of products, removing unnecessary wastes throughout the supply chain and provide technology to manufacture and recycle the product.
Okay, next is benefit of implementing circular economy in construction industry. In construction, neither natural and manufactured resources are heavily consumed by the construction sector, and circular economy initiatives have been recognized by many as providing positive environmental, social, and even financial impacts. In construction, neither natural and manufactured resources are heavily consumed by the construction sector. The circular economy foundation is built on better resource management through lower consumption and replacing the end-of-life concept with the reusing, recycling, and recovering materials and components. Implementing circular economy principles in construction industry will lower industry costs, reduce negative environmental effects, make urban areas more livable, productive, and convenient. Regardless of implementation status in the construction industry, the circular economy has emerged as one of the most crucial and contemporary approach to addressing sustainability. Implementing circular economy models into the construction mix can have positive impact on well-being, such as less exploitation of natural resource, less waste generation, less landfill dependency. Circular economy is to reduce the resource escaping from the circular so that the system function is an optimal way. The recovered resource can replace an equivalent amount of material that would otherwise need to be produced from virgin resource. An important advantage of circular economy system is to keep the add value in product for as long as possible and eliminate waste. Circular economy also reduces waste. By implementing circular economy models, it can significantly reduce the amount of waste being produced and increase economic growth by creating new industry around better managing the waste being produced. Circular economy will reduce resource consumption. The adoption of a circular economy will see a shift from primarily virgin resource usage in manufacturing to a greater focus on recycling, repair, and manufacturing practice, alleviating the need for the consumption of raw materials.